Hey guys, it's a nice sunny cold day, and naturally this is the time that the cars decided to mess up some things. Let's open the car, try nothing, try the front right, even worse. So I cannot open both the right side doors, which is kind of a bit of a problem. My name is Mate, welcome to the channel. If you want to see more E39 videos, press subscribe followed by notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Actually, the back right door I can open from inside, but at the front. When I bought the car, the right back door was behaving already this way, but I did not care really much because I'm not using that door. But the front right is a problem. Let's try and open it somehow. Now we cannot open it from inside or outside the front right. However, if I press the central, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. Which means to me that I think the actuator is okay. Many people wrote that that's the problem, but it seems to work fine. So it's most probably some kind of mechanical problem. First things first, what we want to check is pressing the button a lot of times and trying to open it, because we have learned from the hood opening that sometimes try the easier method first before diving into the difficult part. So opening, so no go. But let's try the same thing from the outside as well. Now there is one screw here and one screw behind the air grill. We cannot get to the screw behind the air grill, so I'm not sure how we will attempt to remove this. I pushed the seat back. Let's remove this small cover. And we lose the cap. I have a normal Phillips head screw. Some people have Torx. The rest are clips all the way around, in theory. Okay. So after poking around like 20 minutes inside here, I managed to open the door. Currently the door opens from either outside or inside. I wind up the Bobden cable, so shorten it a little bit, and then it now works. I ordered a new cable, so we will exchange that. So I poked around here and everywhere, and then it finally opened. You can as well try the place where that hooks in. You can see when I'm moving the handle just moves. You can try to force that as well. So let's change the cable. Let's remove the handle by that screw, and this just hooks out. To get out the other one, we have this little door here. You can open the door like that. You wanna force the hook to an open status, so get one of these, hook it in and pull it towards you. Then you will be able to unhook the cable and hook in the new one. Disconnecting this connector helps a bit with the space issue. So new cable hooked in, wider opening. The green part should go here, wire is hooked in. So the moment of truth, let's see. Before reassembly, don't forget to disconnect the battery because we have removed the airbag. I hope the video was helpful. If you wanna see more E39 videos, press subscribe followed by notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.